After years of playing the rental game, rap queen Nicki Minaj and her hubby Kenneth Petty finally decided to settle down in style. They've kissed their Beverly Hills rental goodbye and said hello to a stunning new estate in the ultra-exclusive Hidden Hills, nestled in the San Fernando Valley. After experiencing home robberies in their previous Calabasas home, it's no surprise why they opted for a more exclusive community. Nicki's latest move in the real estate game is nothing short of epic. She dropped a whopping $19.5 million on a modern farmhouse that looks straight out of a dream. We're talking 6 bedrooms, 9 bathrooms, and more space than you can imagine. This place is all about living large, and get this, the previous owner was none other than Sylvester Stallone. Rumor has it, Meek Mill had his eye on the place too, but Nicki snagged it, boasting thousands of square feet of pure luxury. This 90s-built mansion is the epitome of opulence. It's got 8 bedrooms, 9 full bathrooms, and 2 extra powder rooms for good measure. The upstairs master suite is a private paradise with its own balcony, giving Nicki and Kenneth a sweet view of their lush new digs. But that's not all. The property comes with a separate guest house and a poolside cabana, making it perfect for hosting those lit parties. Pocketing glass doors blend the indoors with the outdoors seamlessly, leading to multiple patios and terraces, ideal for alfresco dining and chill sessions. Need to escape the hustle and bustle? Dive into the saltwater pool and spa, or catch some rays on the expansive grassy lawns.
This is how bad bitches go on vacation, but really still be at home. Bitches can't go home.
It's a true sanctuary. Living in Hidden Hills means Nicki and Kenneth are now part of a super exclusive neighborhood where Ferraris and Lamborghinis are just part of the scenery. They'll enjoy peaceful residential vibes while mingling with fellow A-listers and pro athletes. This home was built and sold brand new to Nicki Minaj, in which she customized the home to her liking. Famously known as Malibu Rocky Oaks, rumor has it, our girl Nicki Minaj called this place home earlier in her career. Sitting pretty on 37 acres and perched 2,000 feet up in the Santa Monica Mountains, this crib often floats above the clouds when the weather's just right. Talk about living the high life. If you've got a God complex, this is the house for you, says the listing agent, Sean Elliott. And honestly, he's not wrong. This Tuscan-style mega villa towering over Malibu is back on the market with a jaw-dropping price tag of $44.5 million. Now let's talk about the goods. The property isn't just about epic views. It boasts a 10-acre vineyard with over 10,000 grapevines draped across its sun-kissed hills. Imagine sipping your own homegrown Cabernet or Chardonnay while lounging by the infinity pool. Now that's living. The primary suite is all about luxury with its vaulted ceilings, 2 balconies, and a wraparound terrace, perfect for soaking in those killer views. The kitchen? Oh, it's next level with commercial-grade stainless steel appliances, stone countertops, and hardwood floors. Plus, there's this sweet arched window that opens up to the dining room, giving off major chef's kiss vibes. Below that infinity pool, you'll catch sight of those lush grapevines. The vineyard's top grapes, Cabernet, Merlot, Syrah, and Chardonnay, of course, perfect for those wine nights with the squad.